Ito muna mga kaibigan. Stewardess Saida.
Kala ko, ikaw na.
Whoop!
Uy.
Nakaabang lahat. Hop, may kutsara.
Kutsara.
Hindi, tinidor lang.
Sopas to, sopas.
Sopas.
Is it soup?
No.
No, it's not soup.
Not soup.
Is it hard?
Kinda hard.
Kind.
Not hot. Not hot.
Hot?
No.
No.
Cold?
Yes.
Yummy?
Yes.
But with kutsara.
Let me see.
Okay.
Let me see. Come on, open.
Two kinds of desserts. Leche flan, small, and silvanas.
Pabihira ka. Kinakamay lang to eh.
Leche plan, small pa.
Leche
No,
plan.
medium or large.
Parang hindi
No,
ba?
and silvanas.
Oo, diba?
Very sweet, ha?
Ito sa freezer nilalagay ito.
No budget.
Wala ka bang ibang kinakamay? Wala ka
Ano
ibang
nung kinakamay na
Ano lang?
pwedeng hindi kutsara?
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow.
Anong, okay.
Finger.
Finger food. Okay. Dadala siya ng... Maganda yung kinakamay lang eh.
Hindi naman, baka minsan napapanis.
Pero dapat maghuhugas din, ha?
Oo.
Naghuhugas ka ng kamay. Okay.
You wash it?
You wash it?
It's clean. I washed it.
Okay. To be clean.
Very good.
Okay.